morning, going to present the members of the group, Eduardo Rizuela, Sari Martinez, and myself, Brian Jan. Now, Eduardo is going to show you the materials.
The materials are 100 grams of sugar and 500 milliliters of water. We have to mix these materials. We calculate the percent by mass by adding 100 grams of sugar into 500 milliliters of water. 100 grams of sugar is a solute. We have to divide it by 300 grams of solution that we have in the problem and multiply by times 100, and this is 32% of. Okay. So the answer is 33% by mass.
Now I'm going to explain parts per million. A water sample contains 100 milligrams sugar and 15 milliliters of water. Calculate the parts per million of the sugar in the sample, that is water. So to get parts per million, I have to divide the mass of the solute divided by the mass of the solution times 10 to the 6th power. So 100 times 10 to the negative 3rd power divided by 500 grams of solution times 10 to the 6th power is equal to 200 parts per million. Now we have to get the mole fraction. To get the mole fraction, we have to divide 100 grams to moles. So 100 grams times 1 mole divided by 342.296 grams of sugar is equal to 0.292 moles of sugar. Then we have to convert grams into moles of water. So what we did is 300 grams times 1 mole divided by 80.00 of water is equal to 16.6 moles of water. After that, what we did is the answer we got in moles of sugar, we divided by the moles of sugar times the moles of water. And what we got is 0.01728 of the mole fraction. Now to calculate the molarity, what we did is 100 grams of sugar divided by 0.5 liters of water times 348.4 grams of sugar is equal to 0.584 of molarity.
To calculate molarity, we use 100 grams divided by 342.296 grams per mole of sugar times 0.300 kilograms. And our answer was 0.973 of molarity.
So this is all for this section, and this is how we mix all the things and get all the answers. Thank you.